Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 10.1.4 and we're going to select and install a printer. So you are one of the IT administrators for a corporate network. You have been asked to install a new laser printer in Office 2. In this lab, your task is to add the laser printer to the workspace. Use a data cable to connect the printer to the computer. Use a power cable to connect the printer to the wall outlet. So the first task is to add the laser printer. So let's go over to our peripherals and we have our printer. So let's look for a good space for it. I think this space is okay. And use a data cable to connect the printer to the computer. So we'll go ahead and look for, okay, let's change this to back, and then we change this one also to back so that we'll be able to connect the cable. So we'll go over to the peripheral, the cable area, and we'll look for the data cable. USB cable. Okay, so we take this and we take one of the end. This end is going to go into, we drag this end into this port here, and the other USB end will go into the back of the CPU USB port. So we'll plug in the power cable, and the other end of the power cable will go into the sockets. And let's go ahead and check answers. And everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe. Also join my professional membership for extra insiders, tip and help. And you can reach me through my email address. Thank you for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in the next one.